Welcome to our channel Learn with Siraj. Hello, this is Siraj. Today we are learning about this. We use this to talk about things close to us. Combining this and is gives us this is. When a noun is singular, we use is. Combining this and is gives us this is. Now let's learn about boy, girl, man and woman. Boy, girl, man, woman. Using this is boy, girl, man, woman. Let's move on to speaking in sentences. This is a boy. This is a girl. This is a man. This is a woman.
Why not call us on 01924 50 60 10 or WhatsApp us on 0795 1918 152.